Welcome again to STANSTAN DIY Plus channel. Today guys, I'm excited. I have a new video for you. You're gonna love it. So I went to my basement and I realized that I have a laminate floor, and I decided to transform that floor to a beautiful pieces. Now if you're new on this channel, all you have to do right now is subscribe. This is the first thing you have to do, because every single Saturday I'm gonna post a video for you guys. So stay tuned, watch that. So let's get started. So first you get your laminate. You have to take the measurement to cut it. Watch that. A ruler. I just use a ruler to do that. Okay, now with my compound miter saw, I just put it in a level where I don't want to cut the board, but I want to just make a line on top of it. Alright, so this is how it's gonna look. Actually, this is the back of the frame. This is the back, so I just have to like show you exactly how it's gonna look like. This is it. So I got my frame already cut out, painting, all done. Now I have to, keep them together. I have to use some glue and nails to make it solid. It's good to use a little clamp, a little grip shrink, whatever you have to hold it in place, and then use your nail gun, or if you wanna use like a screw or whatever you wanna use. But me, I use like my nail guns just because I don't want it to show to show up. I just want it to be nice and clean. So you repeat the same thing for all 4 corners. So now I got my nails and I got my glue. I just want to make it extra secure. So I'm gonna just use, like, look at that, just any piece of, you know, box you have. Like, I just cut little pieces. Just gonna cut that, you gonna see. Add more glue. Yeah, put it right here on top of the corner, so between those 2 extremities here. And I use my staple to staple that in. I repeat the same thing for the 4 corner. Nothing, you know, all dirty. So now I want to give it some value, you know. So this is all it's about, guys. Give value to something you think you won't need anymore. So I place my I just place my mirror over the board. I'm gonna use the little clip here. Okay, now my mirror is secure. I got all my screw in. I got that all secure, all nice, as you can see. Now it's time to see how it look like. I got my girls removing the tape. That was it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe now, because I don't want you to miss any video. I want you to enjoy every single video I'm gonna post on this channel. Don't forget, you share, like, comment, whatever you want me to do for you guys. Give me an idea. I'll see you again Saturday. Peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if